Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I have Discord in this game. Okay, copy.
Um, Number one rule is disrespectful attitude towards collegians and civilians. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of the soldier by decision of the leader. Number 2, you need to address seniors in rank using sir or ma'am. Punishment 1, warning. Number 3, any corruption is forbidden. Asking for a bribe, money, goods, or services, or taking a bribe from army function members or policemen or players is exchanged for goods, money, or services. Punishment, dismissal of the soldier. Number 4, using firearms. Physical force, special equipment without warning. A significant reason is threat to the life and health of a soldier. Surrounding citizen. Unauthorized entry into the territory of the military base. Punishment 1, reprimand or dismissal of the soldier by a decision of the leader. Number 5, soldier can take a special car carrier without a permission from the generals, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, warning. Number 6, non-observance of subordination, not following all orders of the generals, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of an employee by decision of the leader. Using company vehicles or for personal purposes. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal. 7, using company ay sorry. Number 8, violation or rules of the server. Number 9, leaving the military base in uniform and or without weapon. The base can only be left with the permission of the generals, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimands. Number 10, 2 warnings are equal to 1 reprimands. 3 reprimands mean removal from the position of the soldier.
Uh, what does respect means is reprimand or dismissal of the soldier by decision of the leader.
Sir OG, turn off the ambient sounds, the settings.
Okay, sorry.
So many birds.
Why I joined army function? Because do my best to do my duty to guard my country, the Republic of the Army, uh, of Army law. I will be trustworthy, loyal, helpful, kind, obedient, thrifty, brave, and reverent. Thank you, ma'am. How should we address hierarchies in civil?
Hmm.
If you want a higher ranks, you need to play games 6 to 8 hours a day. How many hours can be active in duty? So I will be active in uh, 6 to 8 hours a day. No, I need to command. No, 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 no. That's not for fun. It's a disrespectful. If civilian enters the base, what should you do? So I'm gonna escort him. AFK stand for away from the keyboard. No, no. Uh, Military vehicle personally. Uh, it's only here to use. It's not. It's not from the outside. That's mo ako, bading. Hey.